So this is my first IRL video, like where you see me, and we got Rain in the back, or ICW, Washington County WX, and I finally got my first weather radio. But the thing is, it's that one weather radio you see everybody with. I got the WR120. I'm gonna do an unboxing video and a setup video, and this guy's gonna be helping me. So I'm gonna get straight to it. Look, they gave me the original box.
What?
Yo! They gave me the original box.
Yo, that's not my box.
Yo!
Actually, no. I got the original box, so never mind.
Oh, shoot! I got the OG box for the WR120. And
You might also get alerts too.
oh yeah, cause today, bro, this is smaller than I thought, bro. Compared to like my hands,
Yeah, it's pretty tiny.
it's tiny, bro. Wait, hey, it's actually average, bro. I'm like 6'3", and my hands are pretty big, so this is what it looks like in my hands.
And Tara,
What up?
you when you set it up, put it on channel 4.
Channel 4, alright. You know what I have that you don't? A faceplate that doesn't fall off.
I got the old version of this one too. Look, you got this. Well, guess what? I got this.
Oh, that's what I want. Bro, I'm gonna blow up this surge protector, and I gotta plug it into the always on one because like it's like a eco-friendly
Dude,
type.
I hate this kind of freaking switching.
I know, bro. It only turns on when my PS5 turns
Look,
on.
Brandon, I have one right here.
You got the same exact one as me.
I got one right here. I got one back there. Although I haven't modded to where there's no goddamn switch on it.
How the hell do you do that?
It's got my grandpa did it first. He like took out a crap and used it.
Alright, so I already gave y'all a whole overview. So obviously this is the front. I got the antenna right here.
You got batteries in it?
No, I gotta put batteries in it. It's like 3 AA batteries that I gotta put in. And it gotta stick. And it gotta stand and everything. I'm gonna set it up over there. I'm gonna bring the camera over there. The antenna doesn't rotate, it just stays in that one position. Cause like I wanna extend it upwards, but like oh no,
No, my antenna's longer, bro.
my antenna's average size. Alright, so it says set language, so what do I do now?
Set the English.
I'm actually gonna set it to Espanol. I'll try it! Oh. Wait, I'll put the stand in. Oh. How do I go back?
Menu.
I think I messed it up.
So, yeah.
Alert type.
Set location. You go to single. Go to USA. Find. Fuck. Did that say South Korea? Just find Washington County and select whole county.
Okay.
Because it'll get alerts for Washington County itself. Why did you send it to the 25th?
I didn't mean to. I was trying to scroll through and I accidentally put it on the 25th.
Oh my god, you dumb nut. Hold on.
I already said that.
So go to location, right?
Yeah.
How many counties do you want? Like,
At this point, just Washington because.
okay. Just go to single and set that one to Washington County.
Yeah, but like, how do I remove it off the 25th one? Because like, it won't let me set it since
It
it's
doesn't
already
matter.
set.
If you have it set to single, it's gonna void it out.
Oh. Alright, set time. What time is it? Alexa? Oh, I have to plug that out.
4 p.m.
It's 4?
104.
Oh, all right. Set channel.
Winter weather advisory.
It's on channel 4.
Oh. Yeah, that's WXM42.
All right. Setup done.
Oh shoot, I need to put my phone in. Do you want to set them to all go off?
I kind of want to turn off child abduction because that goes off too much.
I have all mine set to all on.
Hold on. Well, I think it'll be fine for me, even if it's child abduction. Even if it goes off at 3 a.m. Alert test.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Maryland, Central and Eastern Allegheny, Eastern Garrett, Extreme Western Allegheny and Western Garrett, and the following counties in West Virginia, Eastern Grant, Eastern Mineral, Eastern Pendleton, Western Grant, Western Mineral, and Western...
Alright, that was kind of a setup video and stuff, so most of the time, later on you'll see like required weekly tests and stuff. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.